Hey everyone, welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and understanding in English. I will speak slowly and clearly, so don't worry if you don't catch everything the first time. That's okay. That's normal. Today we're talking about a very common topic, the weather. We talk about the weather almost every day. When we meet people, we often ask, "How's the weather today?" Or, "Is it cold today?" Weather is a simple and friendly way to start a conversation in English. So let's learn how to talk about the weather, what words to use, how to describe different days, and how to talk about how weather makes us feel. Are you ready to begin? Let's go. Let's start with sunny weather. When the sun is shining and the sky is blue, we say, "It's a sunny day." This means there are no clouds or just a few small ones in the sky. Sunny days are usually warm. Sometimes they are hot. On sunny days, many people go outside. They go for a walk, visit the park, or play with their children. I really like sunny days because I feel more energetic. The sunlight makes me feel happy and fresh. I like to drink coffee on my balcony and enjoy the warm sun. What about you? Do you like sunny days? What do you like to do when it's sunny? Let's say it together. It is sunny today. I feel happy. Great job. Now let's talk about rainy weather. When water falls from the sky, we call it rain. And when there is a lot of rain, we say, "It's a rainy day." Or, "It's raining outside." On rainy days, people usually carry umbrellas. They wear raincoats or jackets with hoods. The streets are wet. Cars drive slowly. Sometimes it rains just a little. Sometimes it rains all day long. I don't mind rainy days. Sometimes I even enjoy them. I like to sit near the window, drink hot tea, and listen to the sound of the rain falling. Rainy days feel peaceful. But sometimes I feel sleepy or a little sad, and that's okay. Rainy days are quiet days. Can you say this with me? It's raining now. I am staying at home and drinking tea. You're doing amazing. Next is cloudy weather. When there are many clouds in the sky and we cannot see the sun clearly, we say, "It's cloudy." Or, "It's a cloudy day." Clouds make the sky look gray. Sometimes the clouds are white and soft. Sometimes they are dark and heavy. Cloudy days are cool, not too hot, not too cold. On cloudy days, I like to read books or listen to music. Sometimes I go for a walk because it feels nice outside. There is no bright sun, so it's easy to walk and relax. Let's repeat. It is a cloudy day. The sky is gray, but I feel calm. That's wonderful. Now let's talk about windy days. When the wind blows strongly and the trees move, we say, "It's windy today." Or, "There is a lot of wind today." On windy days, you might hear the wind whistle. The leaves fly in the air. Sometimes your hair gets messy. Sometimes your umbrella turns inside out. When I go outside on a windy day, I wear a jacket to stay warm. I walk a little slower and hold my phone or papers tight so they don't fly away. Sometimes I enjoy the wind. It feels fresh and cool, especially on a warm day. Say this with me. It's windy today. I need to wear a jacket and hold my hat. Perfect. Now let's talk about stormy weather. A storm happens when there is heavy rain, strong wind, and loud thunder and lightning. We say, "It's stormy today," or "There is a storm." Thunder makes a loud sound in the sky. Lightning is a bright light you see during a storm. Stormy weather can be scary. And that's okay. I feel nervous during storms too. Sometimes I stay in bed with a blanket and watch a movie. During a storm, it's best to stay inside and stay safe. Let's say together, "It is stormy today. I am staying inside to keep warm and safe." Well done. Okay, Now let's review what we learned today. Here are some types of weather: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, stormy. And here are some example sentences. It's sunny and I feel happy. It's raining, so I'm using an umbrella. It's cloudy, the sky is gray. It's windy and cold, I need a coat. It's snowy, let's build a snowman. It's stormy, I'm staying inside. Repeat these whenever you can. The more you say them, the easier they become. Practice with your friends. Talk about the weather every day. You are learning. You are improving. And I'm so proud of you. Great work today. You listened to many new sentences. You learned how to talk about the weather. You practiced pronunciation and simple grammar. That's amazing! It's okay to repeat this video again. It's okay if you don't remember everything right now. Learning takes time, and you're doing it. If you liked this video, leave a comment and tell me, what is the weather like today where you live? I would love to read your answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more English listening practice. See you next time. Bye-bye.